Good afternoon, Mr. President. Sir, we understand that you earlier mentioned that you do not want to dignify statements from former You do not want to dignify statements from former Ako Bicol Party List Representative Zaldico, but he came out with a recent video claiming that you received over 50 billion, if I'm correct, in kickbacks.
Yeah.
We know that you don't want to respond to this anymore, but the public begs for your answer. How do you actually convince the public that in this battle of he said versus you said, how do you convince the public that you are the more credible side of the story, and how do you respond to his allegations directly?
Well, look at the quality of the statements. Alam mo, mahaba nang naging mga usapan natin tungkol sa fake news. Anyone can go online and make all kinds of claims and say all kinds of things, paulit-ulit. But it means nothing. For it to mean something, umuwi siya rito. Harapin niya yung mga kaso niya. Kung meron siyang gusto sabihin, sabihin niya. Malalaman naman ng tao yan eh. Patunayan. But come home. Come home. Ba't ka nagtatago sa malayo? Ako, hindi ako nagtatago eh. Kung meron kang akusasyon sa akin, nandito ako. Gawin niyo ang pareho. Para patas lang naman.